So in this question, right, we start off with a very simple question on subject manipulation. In this case, right, take note of the instruction first. Make X the subject. So that means, what are you expecting your answer to look like? You expect your answer to be X equal to something, and then here they shouldn't have any X. It can have any other things, but you just cannot have X. So it will be good if you can use your highlighter to identify where is your subject. Sometimes you will lose your subject. So remember, we say something about it can be as simple as bring over. So in this situation, I can bring over the minus 3y. And you can multiply both sides by 2. Half x times 2 will just become a x. So can you see this is your subject? And on the right side, you got no subject. So whether you want to expand the bracket or not, it's not an issue. So you can choose to expand the bracket. That will be the answer. You don't expand the bracket, that's not an issue as well. So as long as you got the structure, x is equal to something. Okay, so just now I also mentioned that one of the common technique can be cross multiplication. So right now, this is a good example of cross multiplication. In fact, a lot of time you're using cross multiplication. So if you cross multiply, it will be like this. So bear in mind your subject. So this is a multiplication. You can divide over. You can simply just divide over. After you divide over, remember, your job is to isolate the x. So it can be as simple as bringing this part over. So you can actually leave your answer like this, or some of you might want to make same denominator, but it's actually not essential. So as long as you check this part, you got no x, and this is your subject. So it's a lot of reshuffling. We just have to get used to the reshuffling.